In today's video, I have a very exciting 2022 summer collection item. 6 months ago when the runway show came out, everybody was raging about the heart bag, which I totally understand because it's been 3 decades since we had the heart bag, and I totally understand the excitement. But for me, all I saw was these shoes down the runway. When I saw the video, I couldn't tell whether it was made out of canvas, leather, but it didn't matter because I wanted them anyway. So I reached out to my SA 6 months ago, and even though this collection doesn't come out until March 10th in the US, I have them with me. So to be extra clear, I am not a Chanel VIP. And I heard you have to spend something like $100,000 per year to become a VIP. And although I do buy quite a lot from Chanel, I do not spend nearly that type of money at the boutique. I think the reason I'm able to get these pieces is because I contact her early enough and I buy things on a consistent basis. I don't buy every season, although last year I did almost buy something from every season, I think except one, but that's not the norm. I buy as much pre-loved as I do in the boutique. That just depends on the item I'm trying to get, and if I feel the item would be way more expensive in the resale market, then I try to buy it at the store. And in my opinion, there's a high possibility that these shoes would be double, if not triple, in the pre-loved market. But I don't have a crystal ball, so that is just my best guess. So in today's video, we're going to start with the unboxing. We're going to look through some details, and maybe that can help you decide whether you want to buy these or not. Before we get started, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, we'll start with box number 1. Booklet, 2 dust bags. Alright, are you ready? These are the black leather logo sandals that came down the runway, and I'm so excited to wear them. And on the runway I saw 2 versions, one with the platform and one without the platform, and this is the one without the platform. So what do you think? And now I'm going to share with you the box label. As you can see, the box states that it's from the 22S collection, and this model number here, the G38973, that's the number that should be imprinted on your sandals. It's basically saying it's size 38, and it has a picture of the print, and it has an illustration of the sandal, and it tells you what material this is. And the price is $1,300 USD. Regarding sizing, I'm usually a Chanel 38.5, but my SA said that these shoes come a little bit wider than other sandals in the past. And so instead of buying the 38.5, she actually recommended the 38. And I'm wondering if she got that information from this label here, which says 85C. If I ordered both these in a 38.5, which is my normal size, and when it got to the store, if they're too big or too small, because all of the sizes are reserved, that means I either have to take the size that don't fit me well, or I can't buy from that store anymore because it's sold out. And she was absolutely right. The 38 is the right size for me in this style, and the 38.5 would have been too big. I have narrow feet, so if that's your case, then you might want to size down by half size. But if you have regular feet, then you may want to stick to your regular size. But if I couldn't get these shoes in my size, I probably would have cried. Yeah, I would have. Let's unbox shoe number 2. I also got her in white. So if you watch the runway show, I saw 3 colors, black, white, and pink. And I find the white shoe absolutely stunning. However, I am afraid of color transfer, so I'll be very careful with these beauties. So this is the first time I bought shoes in multiple, but the reason I did that is if I just bought the black ones, which is more practical, I knew that I wouldn't be able to keep the white shoe out of my mind. And if I waited a week or month to get the second pair, it would be sold out at the store, and if I try to buy it resale, my guess is it would be double if not triple the price. So in this case, I'm very happy that I was able to buy both at the store. So now we're going to cut to some detailed shots of just the shoe. The serial stamp is written right in here. So I put a different shoe side by side, and you can see that the logo has changed. So what do you think? Will you get a pair? I want to make a luxury confession. I reserved a highly coveted small leather goods item from the summer collection. I hope I can get it, and if it does, there'll definitely be another unboxing very soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.